We ordinarily are not interested in the elections of the USA because it's one party contesting within itself. USA is under a political party called the Republicans Democratic Party. They are one. The ideology is one. The mission is the same. Put America first, conquer the world. So we are less interested. So if they are robbing each other, it's good. They are testing what we've been testing here in Africa. So they must know that what the rigging is about. But Trump is a crybaby. He must accept defeat. If he is defeated, he must accept. The same with Biden. If they are defeated, they must accept. They are a first world. They cannot be speaking about rigging of elections now because they're supposed to be a sophisticated world. They're supposed to have the most sophisticated electoral system which will not allow rigging. So if we, the third world, are still complaining about rigging and the first world is also complaining about rigging, then democracy is in danger because we can't learn from anyone about how to run a successful, free and fair elections. But either way, Americans are the same. They only care about themselves. Why should we care about them? Okay. Thank you.